Hello, welcome to all. Let me introduce myself. I am Ramya. Hope you all are fine. Stay home and stay safe. The situation is demanding that. ഈ കൊറോണ എന്ന മഹാമാരിയിൽ നിന്ന് നമുക്ക് വിമുക്തി നേടാനും വീണ്ടും ക്ലാസ്സുകളിലേക്ക് തിരിച്ചെത്താനും സാധിക്കട്ടെ. I am taking the subject Computer Application in Business. It is an optional subject for final year Bcom students on their 5th semester. It has 5 modules. Module 1 Computer Systems. Module 2 Business and Websites. Module 3 Elements of HTML. Module 4 E-commerce and Digital Payments. Module 5 Digital Security. Okay, let us start our lesson. Our first module is Computer Systems. Computer is most powerful machine used by modern society. It has made great impact on our society and several of our activities now controlled by computer system. It is used in all sectors in society like business, medicine, industry. In all levels, it has great impact. Okay, നമ്മൾ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൻ്റെ ഡെഫിനിഷൻ ജനറൽ ഇൻഫോർമാറ്റിക്സിൽ ഓൾറെഡി പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. തേർഡ് സെമ്മിൽ ജനറൽ ഇൻഫോർമാറ്റിക്സിൽ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. എന്തായിരുന്നു ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടോ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൻ്റെ ഡെഫിനിഷൻ? യെസ്, കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ ഈസ് എ ഹൈ സ്പീഡ് ഇലക്ട്രോണിക് ഡാറ്റ പ്രോസസ്സിംഗ് മെഷീൻ. It stores and retrieves and processes data. Yes, this is the definition of computer system. The computer is divided into two, hardware and software. Hardware means the structural parts of a computer system is called hardware. For example, input devices, output devices, memory devices, or peripheral devices of a computer system is called hardwares. Then what is software? Yes, collection of programs is called software. Then next we are studying about the structural parts of a computer system. The structural parts of a computer system is divided into 3: input devices, output devices, and CPU. What is input devices? Yes, the devices which is used for entering data into the computer system is called input devices. Keyboard, mouse, etc. are the examples of input devices. Then what is output devices? Yes, the devices which is used for getting information from the computer system is called output devices. Printer, plotter, monitor, etc. are the examples of output devices. When we enter data, input is always called data. When it processed, it is called information, that's called output. When data is processed, it is called information. The processing is always done by the CPU. Yes, the third part of a computer is CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is also known as the brain of computer system. It is divided into 3: ALU, control unit, and memory unit. ALU unit is further divided into arithmetic and logic unit. In arithmetic unit, all arithmetic operations like addition, subtractions, multiplications and divisions, etc. are taking place in arithmetic unit. Next is logic unit. The logic operations. What are the logic operations? Yes, the comparison of numbers, which number is later, greater, lesser. Such operations are taking place in logical unit. Then next unit is control unit, which control all operations of the computer system. Control unit is controlling all operations. What are the operations? Computer has wanted storing data, presentation of result, etc. That is done by the control unit. Next devices is memory unit. Memory unit is further divided into primary memory and secondary memory. The memory capacity of computer is always expressed in terms of bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes, etc. Memory is further divided into primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is further divided into RAM and ROM. RAM is called random access memory. It is also called volatile memory. What is volatile? Yes, power supply ഉള്ളപ്പോൾ മാത്രം വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്ന മെമ്മറിക്കാണ് volatile memory എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Next is ROM. ROM means read only memory. ഹാർഡ്വെയർ സ്വഭാവമുള്ള ഡാറ്റകളാണ് റോമിൽ സ്റ്റോർ ചെയ്ത് വെക്കുന്നത്. പെർമനൻറ്റ് സ്വഭാവമുള്ള ഡാറ്റകളാണ് റോമിൽ സ്റ്റോർ ചെയ്ത് വെക്കുന്നത്. ഇസ് എ നോൺ വോളറ്റൈൽ മെമ്മറി. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഈസ് സെക്കൻഡറി മെമ്മറി. Secondary memory is also called magnetic memory. Magnetic parts is used for storing in secondary memories. Examples are hard disk, compact disk, pen drives are the secondary memory devices. That's are the structural devices of computer. ഒരു ചെറിയ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ആണ് സ്ട്രക്ചറൽ പാർട്സിൻ്റെ. Yes. Next, we are studying about the features of new generation computers. What are the features of new generation computers? First feature of new generation computer is speed. Speed at which computer is performing its operation. The speed of computer is always expressed in terms of microseconds and milliseconds. Next, accuracy. Computers are also very accurate in processing data. The result produced by the computer is very accurate. The accuracy of result produced by the computer is depending upon the accuracy of data entered into the computer system. If we are entering wrong type of data, the result produced by the computer is also be wrong. This process is expressed in terms of GJO. GJO means garbage in and garbage out. If we entered wrong type of data, the result will be wrong. If we enter right type of data, the information will be right. Next, storage. Another important characteristics of computer is its storage capacity. It is difficult to store large amount of data in human brain and remember it. But computers have the capacity to store large amount of data and instructions and retrieve it whenever we require it. Next, versatility. Next feature of computer is its versatility. Computers are versatile in nature. Computers are versatile machine and are capable of performing any task as long as it can be broken down into series of logical steps. The presence of computer can be essential in all fields. For example, railway, air ticket reservation, banks, hotels, weather forecasting, education. In all these sectors, computers are necessary. Next feature of computer is automatic operations. Many machines require human intervention to operate, and the operations have to press necessary keys to start and stop. But the computer can carry out a particular task on the basis of instruction given to it until stop instruction is executed. Next feature of computer is its diligence. Diligence means computer can perform any type of jobs in repetitive jobs for long times. It can work for hours without creating an error. If millions of calculations are to be performed, a computer will perform every calculation on with the same accuracy. Seventh feature of computer is complexity. Computer is a complex machine. The complex mathematical and complex operations can be done with the help of computers. Next feature of computer is the reliable. Reliability is measured in terms of performance with the predetermined standard of operations. The reliability of result processed by computer is very high. Human intervention is not necessary for undertaking processing operation at the hardware level. Are the main features of computers. What are the features of computers? Speed of operation, accuracy, storage capacity, versatility, automatic operations, diligence, complexity, reliability, etc. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ച കാര്യങ്ങൾ ഒന്ന് ഡെഫിനിഷൻ ഓഫ് കമ്പ്യൂട്ടർ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് division of computer. Computer is divided into hardware and software. Next is structural parts of computer. Input, output, CPU. Last one, features of computers. That's all. Thank you.